We searched high and low to find some of the best auto gadgets there are for vehicles. Not only have we found you some exceptional items, we also have a couple of surprises in here for you. You definitely want to check out this list that are ingenious, innovative, and useful. Have you ever left the supermarket and noticed a new dent in the side of your vehicle? Or wished you could have had a video of something interesting that happened on a drive? You can share those crazy moments instantly with the Owl Cam. This dash cam instantly alerts you with image notifications and video alerts, lets you view your vehicle live from anywhere, and gives you live operator assistance if you are in an accident. The Owl Cam installs in minutes without adhesives or tools and has no exposed cables. The Looks-On Emergency Tool is a 7-in-1 car safety tool that includes a seatbelt cutter, LED flashlight, a car safety hammer, USB charger with cables, a red SOS indicating light, and magnet. Another sweet feature is the hand-cranking charging system that can run the lights and help you keep your phone charged in an emergency. This also comes with a 1-year hassle-free warranty. DashPal is a dash cam and onboard diagnostic tool that can record your every car trip and tell you real-time location and speed. Easy-to-understand alerts let you know what you need to fix on your car. This handy and reliable auto gadget gets real-time data from your vehicle computer. This is perfect for parents, as the app lets you know where the vehicle and driver are and helps you keep track of the safety of your kids. The Jabra Freeway Bluetooth in-car speakerphone comes with 3 speakers and virtual surround sound. The phone uses an FM transmitter to send calls and music from your smartphone to your car radio. 2 Bluetooth devices can be connected at the same time for GPS applications, podcasts, phone calls, and audio streaming. A Voice Assist subscription lets you receive and send emails and text messages, and even post updates to Facebook and Twitter, all hands-free. Beat It is an 800-amp, 12-volt portable car jump starter that works on all 12-volt batteries. This car starter can jumpstart dead batteries up to 30 times on a single charge. Perfect for camping, vacations, power outages, or any emergency. This has a battery standby time of up to 1 year. Features include reverse polarity protection and spark-proof technology. The kit includes the wall charger, power bank, cables, user manual, and a carrying case. One of the highest rated on Amazon, the Shycom V21 is a mirrored dash cam with a full touchscreen display. This dash cam features a 6-glass lens to enhance night vision while reversing, and a high-end sensor that prevents overexposure of the video. The G-sensor locks the video instead of overwriting it when there's a collision. The next item for giveaway is Fortify, the waterless car wash. Designed for vehicles and other solid surfaces that require a shine, this is exceptionally durable and long-lasting, leaving you a clean, sealed, and protected surface every time. The Atoto A6 Android Car Navigation Stereo comes with quick charge and dual Bluetooth. Developed from the Android Marshmallow operating system, the Wi-Fi reception is comparable to phones. The built-in GPS module comes with free Google Maps, but also supports TomTom, Here We Go, and Waze. Quick booting helps to access the system within 2 seconds of starting the car. Escort Max 360 is a laser radar detector that gives you protection against false alerts by using GPS and the exact frequency to remember and learn. Escort Live can receive warnings that were reported by other users to alert you of police threats. Voice warnings allow hands-free operation and clear communication. The Wayland Secure 360 is a 4G automotive security camera that records whether you're in your car or not, and in a 360-degree view around your vehicle. Their secure app can access video data, add highlights, upload the video to the cloud, and gives you multiple modes of viewing the video. Video can be viewed in an immersive panoramic view or in a split-screen mode that shows the exterior 180-degree view and an interior view at the same time.